So what's Agni? Agni is our digestive capacity. It's our ability to digest food and to digest life. Perhaps you've heard that old expression, you are what you eat. Well, in Ayurveda, we look at it, you are what you digest, right? Because our Agni then is like a campfire. It likes to be fed. It likes to have a little wood and a little air and a campfire, and that's a meal, for example. And then when you don't eat, or you overeat, or you eat too often, these are things that act just like throwing sand on a fire. Makes it smolder. It doesn't work well. And then it's not working well for the next meal. And then you start to have digestive problems. So this is our Agni then operates on the cellular level. It's again what gives us the capacity to go through all of the steps that are required to break down the food, to digest the food, and to take the nourishment from the food and put it into the rest of the body tissues. And when Agni isn't working properly, because we might be doing some extreme things, we might be, again, as I mentioned, we might be eating too often, we might be not eating at all, or we might be overeating. All of these things are going to cause some disturbance in Agni. And the result isn't just a physical health imbalance, but a mental also. It has a tremendous effect. When Agni isn't able to work properly, then we lose our enthusiasm for life. What we understand to be the metabolism goes down. So just everything goes down. It can become quite sluggish. So the ways that you can strengthen your Agni then are to not go to the extremes. To have 3 meals in the day. To begin to just listen to your body and not just your mind. How is it feeling? If it's not feeling right, then maybe something needs to change. In Ayurveda, digestive health is the source of whole body health. When your digestive tract is well balanced, symptoms like gas and bloating and constipation are rare and easily remedied. And when this balance is disrupted, the reverse is true. Ayurveda holds great wisdom for digestion and maintaining a healthy microbiome, healthy digestion, because it takes a holistic approach. If you'd like to learn more about how to restore balance, you can download our free guide for healing constipation. The link is in the description below.